What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. It's Warm Wednesday. I'm going to go ahead and try filming in a new location down in the basement. Let me know if you like it. And here we go. We're going to hop right into it. So I'm not sure if it's really coming through or not, but I do have kind of, not a ton of worms, but a decent amount that are hanging out on the side of the bin. So I kind of do my best just to knock them back in. This is my little paper towel I was using, so that's going to get put back into the feeding area. So first things first, this is the area where I fed the last time, so I'll go through this. I've been trying to add a little bit of paper, some bedding to the feeding area, because you can see the castings here are they're doing pretty well, but I just want to give them a little extra kind of food. Oh, I put a piece of pineapple in there. Yeah, so you can see there's some bedding. Looks like I got a seed. Maybe it will germinate. I think this may be a cucumber skin from the feeding before this last one. Yep, there's little cucumber seeds. Oh, I got a nice little separation right here. So I think that's where I'll do the feeding. First things first. I had a nice large handful of shredded paper. I'll put the napkin, paper towel, a piece of pineapple back in. So this is something I've been looking forward to feeding them for a little while. There's some cucumber skins. We had some corn on the cob. So I want to get that in there. Here's actually the husk. I want to leave that kind of rolled up and drop that in there. And then, because I still have a ton of watermelon, drop that in there. I'm switching up a little bit again, going back to that azomite, especially with how close to being finished these castings are. Just keep making sure that I amend the soil in the castings, so we'll have nice fertile soil for growing. I'll go ahead and cover that up lightly. I still have my worm chow. So give them a little shot of that, and then go ahead and cover up that feeding zone so I know that they're right there. Man, these little guys are going cray cray. So, like I said, I'm just trying to knock down as much as what I can see. The bin is a little moist right now with feeding a lot of the watermelon and cucumbers. So I think that kind of, with it holding moisture, the moisture gets on the sides, and then that kind of has the worms traveling instead of staying in. The last feeding, you know, there was a lot of watermelon, and I went in there maybe about 3 days after I did it, and there was just a ton of worms. Nothing was on the side. So if they have food in there, they're more likely to stay in the feeding area and the castings. So when I showed you just now, there was only one little piece of pineapple, so I guess that didn't entice them enough to stay in that area. So I hope you guys enjoyed the feeding. Don't forget, let me know what you thought about how the lighting and all it looked when I was downstairs. I did have like a light that has like 3 lights on it to try to shine in there a little better. It might have made it a little better, I don't know. So definitely let me know based on past worm feedings to this one if you thought there was a difference, and if you could tell, and if you liked it. I normally bring the tubs upstairs to do the feeding, so if you like it the other way, I can always bring them back up. So let me know how you guys liked it. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.